If you own a home here in Minnesota, your homeowner's insurance is probably more expensive than you think it should be. And if you're paying for basic coverage, you might actually be sitting on a financial time bomb. A single ice dam collapse or basement flood could cost you 30, 40, even $50,000 out of pocket. And I see this all the time. Homeowners in the Twin Cities who thought they were fully covered until something actually happened. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why Minnesota home insurance costs what it does, and you'll know the one mistake that's probably costing you the most money. Minnesota isn't like most states. We average more than 50 tornadoes every year. Winter brings blizzards that put thousands of pounds of snow on your roof. Then spring flooding hits along the Minnesota and Mississippi rivers, and hailstorms. Those happen almost every summer, and they absolutely wreck roofs and siding. Insurance companies know this, so your rates reflect that real risk. That's not them being greedy, that's math. Here's where I see clients mess up constantly. Your home's market value and what it actually costs to rebuild are two completely different numbers. Construction costs in the Twin Cities have jumped almost 30% since 2020. Your home might be worth 400,000, but rebuilding it today could run you 500,000 or more. If your dwelling coverage is set to market value, you're short by 100 grand. That gap comes out of your pocket. A lot of Minnesota homeowners skip optional coverage that should be standard. Loss of use coverage sounds boring, but if your house becomes uninhabitable during a January blizzard and you need a hotel for 2 months, that coverage pays for everything. Your mortgage company requires homeowners insurance, but that doesn't mean the basic policy is enough. You need dwelling coverage, personal property, liability, at least 300,000, and then you layer in the add-ons that actually protect you. The number one mistake I see is someone who hasn't updated their dwelling coverage in 7 or 8 years. You might have set it at 350,000 back in 2017. Your home's actually worth more now. Construction costs are way up, and you're still covered at 2017 money. A major event hits, and suddenly you're paying the difference yourself. I had a client in Maple Grove whose roof was damaged by a storm. Replacement cost ran 85,000. Her dwelling coverage was outdated. She paid almost 20 grand out of pocket because we hadn't done a real coverage review in years. Don't wait for a storm to find out you're underinsured. Call us right now at 763-733-7475. We're licensed in Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota,